In this class we will learn some tools for visualizing the models, which facilitate editing and modeling of parts and assemblies. Come on, let's go. With a part file open, we will define a background, which will be applied in the part and assembly environments. In the Tools, Options, System Options, Colors menu, some options for setting the background are listed. With the option Use Document Scene Background enabled, we can apply a more realistic scenario with lighting options. By confirming the box, in the Apply Scene icon, we can click on the arrow and choose the scenario that will be used. With the Plane option enabled, the color set in Viewport background will be displayed as the background. With the Gradient option, SolidWorks will present as background the transition between the colors set to top and bottom gradient color. By activating Image File, we can choose an image for the background of the modeling area. We leave the first option active and confirm. For SolidWorks Corporation approved video cards, it is possible to use the Real View Graphics feature, which improves the display quality of the models, leaving it realistic. In the View, Standard Views toolbars and also in the floating bar, we have several options for viewing the models. Let's apply the standard orientation views of a drawing, starting with the front view. When you place the mouse over it, the name is displayed, and when you click, the reference triad updates the axis according to the selected view. Note the views back, left, right, top, bottom and isometric. We also have the option Normal to, which requires the selection of a face or plane in relation to which the model will be aligned. We select the top plane, click on the option and note that the model has been aligned. Now we select a face, click on the command and see that alignment occurs again. This option is very useful in modeling and editing parts. With the option View Orientation, we can create new views, including zoom to show specific details. Simply set the desired view, type the space bar, click New View and enter the name of the new view. SolidWorks offers several options for zoom, zoom to fit, frames the model in the graphic area. Zoom to area, zoom the selected area. Zoom in, out, by moving the mouse and holding the left button down, zoom in or out the model. This option is also carried out by moving the wheel of the mouse. Zoom to selection, this option brings a previously selected entity closer together. We easily access these options by right-clicking the mouse in the graphic area. We can still move the model with the option Pan. To do this, simply click on the option and move the mouse while holding the left button down. To rotate, we have the command Rotate View, also accessed by moving the mouse with the center wheel pressed. The Roll View command rotates the model around one axis, keeping it fixed and rotating the other two. Note: when you click on one of the axes of the reference triad, it is orthogonal to the screen, changing the view of the model. In this class we know some practical commands to assist in the visualization of the model, facilitating the development of the project.